الأول.
انت الاول introduce yourself.
My name is GASSER Riyad, owner of Nature Travel Egypt. Well, we like the exhibition. It is very, very good exhibition. A lot of people, but we hope next year we'll have more countries. Well, actually, yeah, we find the exhibition. It's very easy, very nice people, a lot of people here, and it's very promising for our Egyptian market. Sorry? Yeah, we would like you to ask more countries to join. Also, it's better to have more people speaks English because sometimes when we pass booths and partners here, they don't have people who speaks English. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next year for sure.